Yeah.
Most people know about International Women's Day.
And recognise its importance.
But there is also International Men's Day.
Isn't every day International Men's Day?
It's been going for nearly 30 years.
And highlights some of the issues men face.
The majority of children with developmental delays,
Behavioural and learning problems are male.
Male? No.
I struggled from an early age with learning difficulties, so it's interesting to know that.
Boys are 25% more likely to be taken into care.
And 25% less likely to be adopted.
That's really sad that society has expectations that boys don't need to be cared for, nurtured.
Men have a suicide rate 3 times higher than women. Right.
That surprised me.
Men sometimes find it harder to show their emotions.
Or talk about difficulties. They suffer in silence.
You keep your emotion in check. You know, you want to be brave for other people. You want to be brave for your family.
International Men's Day aims to promote gender equality by highlighting the importance of positive male role models.
Broadening out the idea of what a man can be and challenging male stereotypes.
Like the fact that only 1/3 of eligible men ask for their paid paternity leave because they still worry about being judged.
Too quickly, we've been pushed back to work. We never really get that sort of bond with our kid.
More than half of men have been told at some point that real men should behave in a certain way.
That's why here at Standard Chartered, we look to men who are brave and can be leaders for change.
Able to be their true selves rather than conforming to a narrow definition of masculinity.
Because a world in which men are allowed to be vulnerable, scared or hurt,
To listen and be inclusive.
To be gentle, nurturing and supportive.
Has got to be a better world for all of us.
for all of us.